Kia ora. Welcome to our tutorial on how to use the Ezi Travel app for your road trip around beautiful New Zealand. The Ezi Travel app is available on both Android and iOS. Just go to the App Store or Google Play, search Ezi Travel and download. To create an account, you'll need your current Ezi car rental reservation number, located at the top of your booking confirmation email. Add your surname and click Next, then add your email address and a password. Check your email inbox and click on the verification button. If the email doesn't show up in a few minutes, be sure to check your spam folder. No, not the spam folder that contains all your favourite emails about spam meat. The folder with the emails from all those nice little old ladies who want to give you $10 million go. Your account has been activated. Nice! Log into the app with your account details and click Keep Me Logged In. Be sure to go to your profile and allow notifications so we can keep you up to date on any status changes for your Ezi Travel bookings. Based on your car rental itinerary details, we'll craft some custom journeys for you to explore. Love our suggestions? Of course you do! Click Save Suggestions to add all experiences to your personal itinerary. Want to explore more? Of course you do! Check out the itinerary tab and see all the available accommodation and experiences throughout New Zealand. Want to visit a destination? Of course you do. Tap the heart to add it to your itinerary. We also have a map of New Zealand that shows all the available destinations. Now that you've planned your itinerary, start booking your Ezi Travel experiences. Have a squiz through all the different activities and accommodations and select one to see a description. Found something you like? Add a date and time and click Book Now. If it's your first time booking, you'll need to add your credit card on the booking page. This is securely encrypted and stored in the app, so you only need to do this once. Accept the terms and conditions and click on Book Now. Some bookings need to be approved by our travel partners, so these will appear as pending in your itinerary until availability is confirmed. If your booking is confirmed as available, the status will change to booked or nah, yeah. If your booking is not available, it'll appear as declined or yeah, nah. In both cases, you'll be notified by a push notification, which you've already enabled notifications via your profile, right? Changed your mind or can't make the trip? No worries. You can cancel accommodation and experiences at any time. But be aware of each of our travel partners' different cancellation policies. Be a smart Kiwi and check out all cancellation policies before booking. Need to cancel your car rental with us? Stink! All cancellations must be done on the website. You can find a shortcut to the website on the app. Open the menu and click on the Book a Car image, then on Manage at the bottom of the screen. All good things come to an end, but just because your trip is over doesn't mean that we have to part. Once you've booked with Ezi Car Rental, you can continue using the app for future trips around New Zealand and stay breezy with Ezi. If you want to book another car with Ezi, go to the menu and click Book a Car. This takes you to our website to book your next rental, and you can add all upcoming car journeys in your app profile under Add New Booking. As long as the reservations are in your name, all trips will be visible on your profile and you can switch between different itineraries. That's all you need to know to make your travel easy with Ezi Travel. Enjoy your trip and don't forget to tag @Ezi Car Rentals in the photos of your adventures around Aotearoa, New Zealand, the land of the long white cloud.